So guys, let's take a look at this EURJPY. We would want to see where this analysis will be moving. First of all, in order to get this, we have to start with our analysis on the weekly time frame. So actually stay tuned. Now let's zoom it out on this weekly time frame. You can see the movement. I think this was about February, 2020, going to 2 years now. We've actually been rolling up, right? We've actually been having this bullish move since 2020 on this EURJPY. Basically, the euros has actually been bullish, while the JPY itself has actually been bearish. So, EURJPY a bullish move. Now this is an impulse move. We can see this recent move, right? Let's see it. We can see that we are actually on a bullish move. Secondly is that the price is above the 10-period moving average. Now take a look at this to get it properly. This we will see as an bullish move. This was a correction we had there. We had another impulse move. This was a correction, right? We saw that this impulse move that we had there actually broke above the previous higher highs. This was the previous higher highs. Price broke above it. Now we add a correction and we now add another impulse move. Guess what? See the impulse move here, we add it to this level. So basically, if you see it, it's actually broke above the previous highs. So that is to tell you that on the weekly time frame, we are still on a bullish move, right? So that is it. We are expecting a pullback, right, on this EURJPY, which kind of like a pullback level. We should be expecting a drop. At least we should see the pullback to this level, right, on the weekly time frame. But it is not. I think it is not a time to actually start having it on the weekly time frame. We are still bullish, by the way. As we can see, we would want to go bullish on it. So weekly time frame says we should go long on the 10-period moving average says we should go long. Now let's see it on this daily time frame, so we'll know how to place this trade. Now on this daily time frame, I highlighted this as the highs. You can take this as an impulse move. The correction was around this level. Now we add another impulse move which actually broke above this previous highs here, you can see. And now we add a correction. We are expecting another impulse move, right, to actually break above this highs. That is exactly what you are expecting, to actually break out and break above this previous highs. But that is what we are expecting. And secondly, if not, we might be getting kind of like an head and shoulder pattern. So basically, once this price pushes up, we should see another drop. So to actually get this bullish move to this level, we will be expecting a bullish move, which means price should at least tap this level. Then if price breaks above it, then fine, we will see it to break above this level. And if price does not, then we should see a drop, which should give us that head and shoulder pattern. So on this EURJPY, we are still expecting a bullish move. Exactly what we can see here. Now down to the 4-hour time frame to actually place this trade. We all can see the level I highlighted. We have saw this roll up, price dropped, right? You see it come to this level again. It came to this support level. It rolled up a little bit and came to this support level. So now we are expecting this price to roll up as usual again to this our resistance level. So the next day, which we would want to place this trade, which is on the 20th, will very much likely go bullish, which means we would want to see this price actually take out this resistance on the 4-hour time frame we just talked about. So EURJPY, we are still expecting a bullish move. I think a bullish move about at least 80 pips. We still have at least 80 pips movement upward to go on this EURJPY. So if we can grab 80 pips on this EURJPY before we have a fall, then fine. So EURJPY, we are still expecting a bullish move. The 1-hour time frame, let's see it, by the way. So I mean, this 1-hour time frame, price has actually been rejecting at this level. So this 1-hour time frame, let's see if it will actually drop a little bit, then a breakout should occur to come and tap this our highs, which is 144. So basically EURJPY, we are expecting a bullish move before a drop.